This is a video about introduction to the right side toolbar and the introduction to the Bezier curves week 1 playlist. And this. On the right side tab, the first tab is the creative tab, which is having standard primitives and all the basic shapes available. And there are different kind of tabs to create other 2D 3D shapes and 2D 3D forms. Next to the main tab is the modifier tab, which will have different kind of parameters based on the object selected, and that's the torch where we can turn on and off the visibility of that particular modifier. The third tab to the next to that modifier is the hierarchy tab, which is related to animation and transformations. In that we can see different kind of activities available, like options available for the animation and transformations. Next tab is the selection tab, where we can customize the selection of an object in different ways possible, using parameters, using keys. Next tab to that is a display tab, where more settings are available for the hide and hide of objects, like filtering. More filters are available. Go to select any object, and under hide tab we can hide selected object, hide unselected objects, hide by name. We can also unhide all the objects or unhide all the objects by name. We can customize all the hide objects. And we can also unhide all the objects at one click under the hide tab, which is in the display tab. And then we can select any object and go to bottom bar and select isolate objects, which will isolate all the objects and remain and keep. We can also click on again unisolate objects to unhide and hide the rest of the objects, then select it. And then next option available is the hide by category. We can hide and unhide based on the particular category of that objects. Here some more options available: geometry, shapes, lights, and their typology. Based on their typology we can hide and unhide them. By clicking shapes, only shapes which are 2D or that are hidden, or if you click on geometry, only the geometry which is 3D or hide and unhide. So like that we can toggle the cameras, different kind of category of objects. With category hide object we can hide and unhide those objects. And next to that is next tab, which is the last tab, is utilities, where we can run different kind of scripts within 3ds max, where we can do different kind of activities by running those scripts.